Um, Today we just had a press conference for our upcoming business summit, second business summit of ICEA, that's going to be held on April 9th at HICC, Hyderabad. And this is going to be a physical event, and we're taking all precautions to be able to make sure that we take all the social distancing norms and also the mask and all kinds of protocols that government has given as guidelines. And very importantly, this particular summit is all aimed towards doing lots of good things for the SME community, particularly because SME community is the backbone of any industry. And with that said, ICA has about more than 80% of their member base as SME members only. So we always work towards, doing a lot of support for SME community. And in this particular summit, I think there's going to be some announcement made towards, MSME community to help them, right, in terms of their capital, support infrastructure, or in terms of their business, development activities, in terms of their operational support activities. So I think government is also planning on doing something towards, supporting the SME community. And we have very distinguished speakers coming for the summit, both from the central government and state government, and also from the industry. And very importantly, the chief guest is going to be Mr. Rajesh Nambiar, who is the chairman and managing director of Cognizant India. And we have lots of other speakers coming in from various parts of India, and also in the local ecosystem. So we are looking forward to this event, and we definitely urge everybody to register and come forward and then be part of the overall. Yeah, we are expecting about close to 200 SMEs participating in the summit, and many representatives from these SME community also will be there. So eventually about 600, 700 people might be attending, but just less than 100, 150 physically, but the remaining all will be virtually. See, IT industry generally, even across India, is expected to grow by about 2.3% as per NASSCOM's estimates. And typically Hyderabad, Telangana IT industry does definitely more than 2 times, than the national average. With that said, we will be definitely looking at about 6 to 7% in 2021, this financial year. Though there's been a setback in the first 2 quarters, the third quarter of 2021, we started seeing some growth. And the last quarter, that is the meaning Jan to March 31st also, has been a very progressive kind of a quarter. And we have seen a lot of growth in that particular thing. So we're looking at close to 6 to 7% for this financial year in Hyderabad. And I think 21, 22 will be certainly very promising. And we will be certainly coming back to the double digits. You're talking about the work from home. See, I think as per our survey results, we are expecting at least 30% to come back to work by July, and maybe 60-70% by December. I think the MNCs have their global policies that they are complying to, and once the vaccination situation improves, we see a lot of people coming back to offices, right? So the more people come back to offices is definitely a good thing, right, for us to see, because eventually the pandemic cannot, impact our livelihood and the way we operate. It doesn't mean that, we are expecting 100% people to come back to office, but at some point in time, I think we should have a good balance between people who work from home and people who work from office. The more is better in the office.